Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
Welcome back. This episode, we'll discuss some of the obstacles we encountered while flipping this property, but also some of the fun stuff like the shopping.
When you're the sole investor, this is bound to happen, especially in a market as pricey as Los Angeles. We ran out of money. Our money was tied up in another property that was for sale, so while waiting for that to happen, we had to delay construction for a few weeks at Case. Luckily, we got creative and we were able to get a loan and some other money came up and we were able to keep going. But always have a backup plan and always prepare for setbacks.
Yes. The other setback we had, and this is actually a happy one, we learned we are pregnant.
We are? Oh my God.
And as
With a baby?
Well, actually baby, yes. And this is wonderful news, but for the first part, during the first trimester, we had some complications with the placenta and I had to be in bed rest, which means James here had to do it all, take care of the children, of me, of the business. And
food, the shopping.
All of it.
Everything.
Laundry. And this slowed us down a lot.
And now the fun part, shopping. Because of all the setbacks, this is the first time we've ever had to do all of the shopping really fast. Normally, we buy everything during the permit process, which is about a 2 to 3 month wait. This time, we only had a few days to get everything to the property to make sure it was installed and in time and ready to go on the market. And then we had to hope, will it be in stock? Will it get here on time? Will it even ship to California? Because new code requirements for bathroom fixtures, lots of products on Amazon won't even ship to California.
But luckily, we got everything we wanted.
We did.
Most of the fixtures are a combination of black and gold. For instance, for the master bedroom, we found these beautiful black faucets with gold handles.
I love those
and
faucets.
These lights that we used before, but in black. And then for the hallway bathroom and the ADU, these beautiful gold faucets and industrial lights. While for the kitchen, both pendant lights and the faucets are gold and black.
It's a great combination. You did a great job.
Thank you. We chose the rectangular chandelier to fit the space.
Oh, yes. Really
and for the front, this is new for us because we chose to put color on the porch wall. You'll see what color. Now the doors are black. And then we have the backsplash.
We have the back, so we went to the stores. We couldn't figure out what backsplash. I was like, I want this one, I want this one, I want this one. And it's like, which one do you not want? Which one do you want? And then we got one. We were like, I love it.
Absolutely.
We both love it.
Yeah.
And it goes all the way up to the ceiling, just like we always do with open shelves. It's gorgeous.
And then we chose new wallpaper.
New wallpaper for the bathrooms, which Isabel and I installed, mostly me. Since she's pregnant, she's not allowed to go up on the ladder.
And watching and saying, that's not right.
Lots of that's not right. And what else?
The beam, you left the beam on.
Oh yeah, so we had this beam installed in the living room to support the ceiling and it's just beautiful. And our contractor was like, all right, cover that with drywall. I was like, what?
No.
No way. And put some beams on the side too and make it look really good. It's really beautiful.
Next time we see each other, everything will be complete and we can do our famous walkthrough. We're very excited about that.
Yes. In the meantime, follow our progress at stonefarmenterprises.com and on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you soon.
See you next time.